Okay, one of the things about Get Up and Walk is that you don't have to go out and walk 5 miles. You don't have to race. You can walk around the block. You can walk at the zoo. You can walk at a state park. You can walk wherever. Right now, we're stopping at the Silene Hill State Park. It's got a 2,185 foot elevation, I believe. Something like that. And they have this nice little picnic area right here. It's about maybe a little quarter mile, eighth of a mile loop. And I was just driving along, happened to see it, and thought, I'm going to stop and stretch my legs. And thought I'd take you along because this is getting out and walking. I do take into consideration whether an area looks safe when I stop. Some places have a bad vibe. You get out, I look around, and I get back in the car. But this one has a nice vibe. It has bathrooms. Those are primitive bathrooms, I believe. But bathrooms are the same. One of the reasons why I felt like this was a safe area to stop is because, A, it's a picnic area. And we have this children's area over here, which is what originally caught my attention. There is another family here. And it's just kind of a cute little setting with a good vibe, actually. So that sounds a little weird, but you'll know if it's not safe. But I really like this little park. I wish I could come more often back in here.